Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download images from Pinterest. For that, watch the video till the end to learn and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post the video. So without any further delay, let's get started by opening our Pinterest. After opening Pinterest, you can see a lot of images. So you can select any images of your own or the picture you like the most. So here I'm going to open this. After opening the image, on right side you can see 3 dots. Here I'm going to tap there, and here you can see the option download image. You simply need to tap on download image. As you guys can see, the image is already downloaded. The downloaded image will be shown in your phone's gallery. So this is how you guys can download any Pinterest image on your mobile gallery in a quick, easy way. I hope the tutorial was helpful, and if it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or any feedback for us. I'll be soon back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you so much guys for watching.